Hello students, I am Gayatri Miss and today I am going to teach you GK of class UKG and the topic name is At Dining Table. So my dear students, a dining table is a table on which meals are served in a dining room. So you can see in this. See dear student, this is the picture of dining table. D-I-N-I-N-G, dining, T-A-B-L-E, table, dining table. It is a table specially where meals are served and eaten. It is a type of table with a flat top and one or more legs. My dear students, you can see in this picture how nicely all are taking food at dining table. So one by one, I am going to explain you the things that we use at dining table like bowl, spoon, bowl, spoon, yes, fork. So my dear students, see, the first is table mat, T-A-B-L-E, table, M-A-T, mat, table mat. You can see in this picture. It is a small mat used for protecting the surface of a table from hot dishes. They also protect the dining table from watermarks, food stains or heat damage. It is made of a piece of cloth or wood and is placed under a hot dish or pot. Now the next is S-P-O-O-N, spoon. You can see in this picture, this is very beautiful spoon. A spoon is a utensil consisting of a small shallow bowl, oval or round at the end of a handle. Spoons are used in food preparation to measure, mix, stir and serving food. There are a wide variety of spoons that are made of variety of materials. It is also used for eating liquid or semi-liquid food which cannot be lifted easily. In the market you can see varieties of spoons are available and very beautiful designs also. Now the next is fork, F-O-R-K, fork. You can see my dear student, yes, this is very beautiful fork. Now I would like to explain you about this. A fork is a tool used for eating food which has a raw of there are 4 long metal points at the end. They are used for poking, stabbing and cutting soft food with as well as cutting the food into smaller pieces. It is usually made of metals. Now the next is K-N-I-F-E, knife. You can see my dear students, knife. Knife is a utensil used in food preparation. It is a tool with a cutting edge or blade often attached to a handle. The knife used to our tables usually have blunt end and designed especially to cut and prepare food. Now, the next is glass. Glass, glass. You can see, my dear students, very beautiful glass is this. Now, I would like to explain you about glass. Glass is a hard material that can be made in many shapes. It is usually transparent, but it can be made in colors also. We use it to hold liquid substance such as water, juice, etc. Especially glass we use to drink water. Now the next is plate, plate. You can see, my dear student, this is the picture of plate. It is mainly to serve food. It is a flat dish from which food is eaten or served. They are made from materials like glass, wood or metal. In the market you can find many varieties of the plate, many different designs, colors also, many materials also. Now I would like to teach you about bowl. B-O-W-L, bowl. Now this is the picture of bowl. So my dear students, a bowl is a round dish or container typically used to prepare and serve food. Bowls are most suited for holding liquids and loose food. The size of bowl varies from small bowls used to hold a single serving of food to large bowls such as salad bowls that are often used to hold the store more than one portion of food. They are made from metal, wood, plastic and other materials. Bowls also you can find in the market in the different type of the designs, colors also and the materials also. Now my dear students, I would like to teach you napkin. Now this is napkin, N-A-P-K-I-N, napkin. So my dear students, you can see in this picture, this is the picture of napkin, a piece of cloth or paper that you use when you are eating to protect your cloth or for cleaning your hand and mouth. It is also known as festool, used at table while eating food. So my dear students, like this you will study the things that we use at dining table and you will learn all the things with the spelling. Thank you.